Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope so you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to view historical imagery using Google Earth. For this purpose, you have to first open your browser. In the address bar, write Google Earth Pro. Okay. Now this is the official website of Google. Click on it. Google Earth Pro on desktop. It only install on desktop PC. So click on it. Download Earth Pro on desktop. Accept the terms and then click download. It will take 5 to 10 minutes depending upon on your internet speed. Let me pause. After installation I will continue. Okay, the installation is completed. The icon is on desktop. Double click. Now go to the location of which you want to view its historical map. Okay, so I will go to my village. Okay, now in menu bar click on view. Check this box, historical imagery. A small slide bar on the left upper corner of the screen is appeared. Now if you want to see the previous map of this location, just click on this left side arrow. Now you can see the difference. You can see this is the 10th month of 2019. This is the 11th month of 2018. This is 12th month of 2010. 12th month of 2009. And this one is the latest one. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.